Welcome back to a new week. I really thank you guys. We are about less than 20 subscribers away from $400. Having 400 subscribers, and I thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate the comments that you leave. It really does help me to be a better content creator, so I really appreciate that. Now let's get into some money making program. So basically, this is more for my women or my young female friends. If you want to start like a beauty content creator channel, you can partner with Rosental Organics and you can become part of their creator program. Now they pay up to $8,000 per month. Up to $8,000. I just want to be clear, you may not get exactly 8,000, but if you work hard and put enough content in on your channel, I don't know if they're looking at a TikTok channel or YouTube. They didn't really specify, and they just said create content. So as long as you're creating content for them, whether it's on your YouTube platform, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever channel that they want you to post it on, I guess they'll give you a channel to do it. But I guess it really don't matter. They just want you to create the content from their products that they might give to you and try them out, test them out. Maybe do different videos of you putting on the skin products and stuff like that. So it's just another way to make some extra money. Of course, you need to create the content in order to make the good money. Now, I don't know how much they're gonna really pay per project, but you can make up to $8,000 per month, as it says right up here. So that's really good money that they willing to pay up to 8,000. So you might have to do maybe 10, 20 different videos or 30 different videos a month because nobody's just giving away that cash for nothing. You got to put in some work for that. So this is how you sign up. Obviously, you click on the sign up button. You put in your first name, your last name, your Instagram. Okay, so it does. So they telling you Instagram is the way to go. Just what they want you to post on there. That's why they asking you for Instagram. Then email, then date of birth, and then your password. So I'm assuming maybe you have to be, 16, 17, but you can read through the description of yourself if you are interested in that. I'm not going to hold you guys up any longer, but I wanted to just tell you to make sure that if you didn't have a chance to, we're coming up pretty much next week. This week actually is the cash giveaway. So if you have not had a chance to enter before the 31st of October, you still have a chance. But after that date, after 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the date will be cut off, and you will no longer be able to enter it if you have not had a chance to do that. So make sure you do that in addition to signing up if you are want to get into the skin beauty care products. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.